Okay, hi there guys, thanks for joining me again. So today we're going to do a very quick Google Web Designer tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to put a YouTube video into one of your web pages. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and create a new file. This is going to be an HTML with pages file, and I'm going to call it YouTube Demo. So that's all fine, I'll just hit OK. Once we go through that, we get presented with our canvas, and if we scroll down on the properties, we can see the size and the height of that. I'm just going to change that to a more video-friendly kind of size. Let's do 720, and we'll zoom out a little bit. So there we have our nice 16:9 canvas. So for our YouTube video, we are going to go over to the Components tab on the right, and we're going to scroll down a little bit, and what you normally see is video up there. That's not what we want, because that is a local video. We're going to go for a YouTube video, so we will grab that little fella, put it over here, and you'll get this little element which it's added. If you go over to the right hand side again, you get the properties of that, and we are going to change the size of it, so we're going to make it full size on that page, 1280 720. And while we do this, I am going to align it. So these are your line buttons up at the top up here. What you'll notice is if you try and align it here, it won't work. So you need to click this little button over here, align to container, and then do that. It'll actually align it to the canvas. So just stick that in the middle. All good. So that is your YouTube element added into your web designer file. So in order to link it to an actual YouTube video, we'll scroll further down on the properties menu. That's where we set the size, and we will go down until you get to this little YouTube box here. We'll give it a name. I'm going to call it Iris because it's going to be one of our lovely tutorials. The URL, you need to go to your YouTube video, and I'm going to do that now. So we'll go down to this one. This is a lovely one that Embed, and we're going to use that for this. If you go down to here, the little share tab at the bottom, you get this link. You copy that link, nice and easy. Go back to here, paste that into the URL, and as soon as you hit enter, you should get a nice preview. There you go, Ben's lovely tutorial, as I'm sure we'll all agree. So you have a few more options down here. You've got your autoplay, different types of autoplay. You've got preview, which will autoplay a certain length of the beginning of the clip. You've got standard, which will autoplay the entire thing. Not sure what intro does, never used it. Preview duration, that just sets the duration of that preview if you decide to use it. We're going to use standard. You've got controls. You can choose to auto hide them, which means after a few seconds of watching the video they'll disappear, or you can have none, which means there won't be any controls at all, so you can lock the user out. And you've just got white or red progress bar in YouTube. You've also got a few little tick boxes. You've got mute if you don't want any sound. You can show or hide the annotations. You can show or hide related videos at the end of the video. Don't really want to do that. You can loop the video, so it'll set it to just continuously loop once it's been played. Pause on video end, pretty self-explanatory. Show title, that will just show in the top corner that title that we give it, so that would show up with Iris. And we're going to leave that on. We'll leave that on. You can also set a start position, which will in seconds start the video from that position if you so desire. We don't need to bother with any of this because it's a video and we don't particularly want to have a fill color. So once we've done that, that is pretty much it. So if we hit preview up at the top, it will then open up in our desired preview browser, and there's Ben giving us his lovely Photoshop tutorial, which is actually pretty good. Watched it, it's not bad. Let's just shut him up. So that is about it for your YouTube embed on Google Web Designer. Please do give us a thumbs up or a subscribe, which is now at the top right. If you can give that a click, that would be great. If these have been helpful, I'll be putting up more web design tutorials, as well as lots of different bits of software tutorials like Ben's Photoshop ones and After Effects and Quartz Composer and stuff like that. So yeah, if this has been useful, please do subscribe, and see you next time.